This is a quick video on a Canon Pixma MG6320 printer on how to remove the print head. So we have the printer on, and that's where it needs to be. We're going to open the front cover, and we're going to wait for the carrier to move to the center. Reasons for removing a print head would be just to clean it, or or if you need to replace it, if you have a B200 error, or your print head is just bad. This is how to do it. So first we're going to remove the ink cartridges, all of them, and set them aside. Sometimes you want to clean the print head, but the reason for that is not the print head always. It could be just dry ink. It could be both, so check that out also. If you have a dry cartridge and it still shows you levels, put some Windex, like a drop of Windex in here, or alcohol, to kind of liquefy the solid ink in there if it got dry. So after here, we can either unplug the printer, or we can just slide the carrier to the right. I recommend unplugging the printer so you don't have to. It kind of works as a spring. It tries to go back. So I'll just unplug the printer from the back or from the outlet, and then I'll just move it over a little bit so I can pull this door out. So here's a closer look. This is pulled out. So it kind of, this front door, on other printers it lifts up. On this one it just slides out like that. That's our print head right there. So we're gonna grab it by this middle piece right here, like that, and we're just going to, after this is pulled out, like I showed you already. So, and then we're just gonna pull it towards us, but do not force it. It needs to come out on its own. So kind of lift the back and it comes out. So this is the rails where it goes in, and then to put the print, this is the print head for this printer. The print head part number is right here on one of the sides, QY6-0083. And then to put it back, we're just going to put it in the rails like that and push it back in there. And if you put it in correctly, you should be able to just slide this back, and the print head is back in place. So check out our cleaning video on the Canon print head. This is how you replace the print head in the MG6320 printer. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.